Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell you what is MS Excel, what are the features and how we can enter the data. MS Excel is a separate sheet program developed by Microsoft Corporation USA, which works on different operating systems like Windows, Android, Mac OS and iOS. Microsoft Excel is a powerful application program having various type of functions in which you can create different type of function and formulas, and also you can work on different graphical representation of data like pictures, graphs, normal chart, pivot table, and you can work on variance data analysis report like sort, filter, total, subtotal. Now you can see Microsoft Excel is a software which allows us to perform quick and easy calculations on our stored data. In Excel, a file is called as a workbook. It contains multiple worksheets like sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 by default. A file of Excel is saved with the extension name .xls. A worksheet is divided into a series of rows and columns to store our information. Now I have already opened MS Excel. This is my blank worksheet. There are various things on the screen. At the top of the screen there is a title bar having the name of the current application program, that is Microsoft Excel, and it contains minimize, maximize and cross button, and also it contains quick access toolbar. Here are the quick access toolbar containing save, undo, redo options, and on the below of the quick access toolbar we have some tabs like home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review and view, and also called menu bar, that is called menu bar. In every tab there are lots of options. These options are placed known as the ribbons, that is called ribbons. If we double click on the tab, the ribbon gets hidden, and if we again double click on the tab, the ribbons come back. There are a name box which is used for the current location of the cell. Suppose I click here. Now in name box you can D3, D column and row number 3rd. After that you can see that the box called formula bar, that is called formula bar. Here A, B, C, D are the columns. आप कॉलम्स को, पूरे कॉलम को सिलेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप टॉप में क्या करोगे, क्लिक करोगे. रेंज ऑफ कॉलम को भी आप सिलेक्ट करके क्या कर सकते हो, सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. नाउ on the left side there are 1, 2, 3, these are rows. If we click any number of row like 2, then select the entire row. Now if click 5, then select the entire row. रो को हम 1 2 3 यहां से लेफ्ट से सिलेक्ट करेंगे. रेंज के अकॉर्डिंग भी हम सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और कॉलम को हम टॉप से सिलेक्ट करेंगे. नाउ इफ you come down at the bottom, you will see the number of sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. by default MS Excel प्रोवाइड हमें करता है 3 शीट्स. आप अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग यहाँ पे इंसर्ट कर सकते हो शीट्स के अंदर. देखो हमारी वर्कबुक तो एक ही है, लेकिन उसके अंदर हमारे ये क्या होगी, शीट्स होगी. अलग अलग शीट्स, आप अलग अलग शीट पे अलग अलग काम कर सकते हो. नाउ एट द बॉटम यहां पे आपको जूम ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. देयर इज ए प्लस बटन फॉर जूमिंग एंड माइनस बटन फॉर जूम आउट. प्लस बटन, if I click on the plus button, the size of the cell gets increased. If I again clicks on the minus button, the size of cells get decreased. Now set 100. Now we have horizontal scroll bar to move from left to right, and vertical scroll bar also to move sheet from up and down. तो डेट इज कार्ड. ये सभी के सभी जो मैंने अभी आपसे MS Excel के बारे में डिस्कस किया है, कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ MS Excel. थैंक यू.